this is Sonal Dhingra Bandari and welcome back to my channel, The In Vogue Mom. Okay, as you must have read the title, it's a shopping haul, but it's not for me, it's for my son Ivan. Okay, so without wasting your time, let me just quickly show you what all did I get. This is the first t-shirt I got. I know it's really big. I have actually specifically ordered a big size. I really like this ninja t-shirt. Then second is this t-shirt. Very simple clothes I've ordered for him because obviously it's not lockdown anymore, but it's lockdown for my baby because I am not taking him out at all. So this is the third piece. Then this is another t-shirt, another one. Okay, this is another one. As I said, very casual clothes, not very party wear kind of clothes because there's nowhere to go. Oh, I think I showed you this t-shirt. I accidentally ordered two of them. Okay, another t-shirt, and the last one, this one. Let me quickly just show you all the shorts I got. Now when I'm seeing, I don't know what I've done, but I've ordered a lot of navy blue shorts. 1, 2, 3 I don't know what was I thinking. 4, yeah, 4, yeah, what was I thinking? 4 navy blue shorts for no reason. I actually ordered just 3 colors short for Ivan because it's easier to match. Black and one more black. I ordered the blue one also in this. Actually, I think it was a set. And then this gray shorts, gray, and one more gray with the black dinosaur print. That's it for the shorts. Okay, as I told you guys, we're not going anywhere out because of the coronavirus. We're not taking our baby out at all. Nobody is, I'm sure. So all these clothes are of cotton. The shorts and the t-shirts are all cotton wear, very thin fabric, which we can make him wear in the summertime because it's really very hot also. So I've not actually ordered denim shorts because it's of no use when we're at home. If I had to take him out, I would have actually ordered a lot of denim shorts, but these kind of shorts are very cool and casual at home, so I really like them. So this is a night suit that I got for Ivan. I actually picked up whatever was available. Not a lot of things were available because of corona. So whatever was available, so I got that. There was a 20% discount on all this. This is another cute night suit that I got, the Mario one, and this has got these pants, not pants, PJs. I think the length of these will be very long to Ivan, but I think with the help of this thing we will be able to, you know, fold it up easily. It will not come out. And this is another cute ninja outfit that I got him. It has shorts along with it. Coming to the last and final thing, this is not a set, but I actually like this t-shirt, the color, because for boys you don't actually get a lot of colors, so I actually like this color. And with this there was this shorts that I ordered. It's not a set that I ordered. I actually mixed and matched these two just to make Ivan wear something colorful. I would really like you guys to suggest me what kind of videos do you want me to do. If there are any suggestions on any kind of thing, mommy related, fashion related, baby related, cooking related, because I'm going to do a lot of cooking and shopping and all those kind of things also on my channel. So if you have any suggestions for me, I would love to hear them. Thank you. Okay, so that's it for my shopping haul, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.